Hello, so I'm going to get the shitty self-promotion out of the way now. This is the first video you've seen of me. My name's Billy, I do weekly videos, and this week we're going to Rollhard, so it's going to be a good show. I didn't go last year, as I said in quite a few of these videos, that I didn't go to the show last year. I think this is probably going to be the best one of the year for me, just because it's all makes, all manufacturers. I think I'm going to get a good mix. I'm going to Essex for this one, not too far from me, just about an hour, but I'm going to pick up a mate, and then we are heading off to the show. ROLLSAFE sticker, and I'm thinking, what do you reckon? Do you reckon there?
Yeah.
Is that there?
Yeah.
We've got to do it, haven't we? Both sides. That's why I got two. I think it's got to be done. It's got to be done. Let's do it. Bill?
Yeah.
Ah, fucked it, look. That's so sick. Let's do the outside. Just a nice mini. That's fucking 10. Whereabouts is it? No, that's like way out of focus. Actually, no. Sincere apologies again for ending the fucking vlog here. I need to be doing it at the show. I'm sorry. I promise the next one we're going to do it. Alright, I'm going to build that confidence to fucking do it. So, Rollhard, nuts. I personally, for me, probably one of the best shows I've been to this year, because you're walking around seeing your usual stuff, and then you just get out of nowhere just something nuts. To roll off a few, Mint Series 1 RS Turbo, some crazy old Merc on bags with like these metal seats. It's pretty fucking nuts. Some old VW buses, and in the barns just some crazy stuff which I didn't film just because the lighting's just a bit odd. But some of the stuff in there was crazy. I'm sure you'll see from photographers and stuff on Instagram that the show was just nuts. 10 out of 10, possibly best show I've been to this year. So far though, we don't know. Next is going to be players, probably for show coverage, and that is the 17th of September. Thanks to Bill for being with me today. Instagram there. Unlike Henry again, and he hooked me up with, and oh, I'm so sorry, I might have lost it. I think it's in my wallet. Nope, we've got it. Yeah, boy. Gets the exclusives. ChapterThree UK, drop me a follow on Instagram. Pretty big upcoming page for cars. And they sent me a sticker. Well, a man like Henry gave it to me. And it's there or there, Instagram. So this is, in fact, look, it's on the back. Look, they come prepared. Bang. I haven't even got a link yet. At ChapterThree UK. Pretty upcoming page. Sick photography skills. Mad shit. I think they had a meet as well recently, so there'll be more of them. If you're around that way, then pop off to that. I've got that to stick on the car. Got to decide where. And also we got a little leaflet. I'm going to shout them out. They probably don't even know I am. Seen JDM. Just left a little leaflet on my page, just on their Facebook page, so you might want to check them out as well. Just spread the love, man. Speaking of that, if you enjoyed this video, drop it a like. Tell your mum, your dad, your cat and your dog. I make videos every week, so if you want to stay subscribed to keep up with them, then do. As you can see, I've got sunburnt as hell, so rest of the day now, after sun, and chill. So thank you very much for watching. For the next one, I'll see you later.